Welcome back to Houston Life. If you've ever had serious dental problems, you know they can be painful, expensive, affect your confidence, and even prevent you from eating the foods you love. And if you've ever been told there is nothing that can be done, our next guest might be able to help. He is responsible for the before and after photos you are seeing on your screen. He is periodontist and the founder of the Texas Dental Implant Center, Dr. Michel Azar. He joins us now with more on the implant procedure that really has been life-changing for your patients.
Yeah.
This is the One Arch procedure. It's great to have you back on Houston Life.
Thanks for having me.
The whole point of this procedure, too, is to create an implant that functions. It looks like natural teeth, and it also functions like natural teeth.
So this procedure is specifically targeted towards full mouth reconstruction. The One Arch procedure is a proprietary sequence of treatments that on the same day, we take the teeth out if there's any infected teeth, place the implants, give the immediate restoration on the same day, within hours of finishing it.
And how has the technology changed to the point where you are able to do this in-house? I mean, gone are the days of waiting weeks or even months for teeth to be fabricated.
Yeah. Part of what makes this very special is that we have our in-house designers and in-house lab to produce the teeth. So what happens before the surgery is I sit down with the designers and I tell them, this is how I want the teeth to be. And we save that design like we're seeing on the screen here. And then once the surgery is done, we transfer these data and then we attach that design to the placed implants. It used to be a way longer process, waiting time. We're waiting on grafts to heal. We're waiting on teeth after extraction to heal. But this can all be done in the same day.
Dental health, Dr. Azar, is obviously very, very important, right? I mean, having healthy teeth is important for your overall health, but also this is a quality of life issue for so many people who maybe can't enjoy eating the foods they love or just conversation and smiling.
Yeah, I think it goes beyond just teeth. It's the way you present yourself at work, connect with other people, meeting new people, family pictures. All of these, I think it carries way more weight to it.
We're seeing some before and after photos of some of your patients. Some of these patients have appeared right here on Houston Life. And I got to tell you, Dr. Azar, it's always so lovely to meet Houston Life viewers who got a brand new smile thanks to you after seeing you here on the show. The results really speak for themselves, but also you have gained recognition. I mean, you are training people around the world how to do this same procedure. Recently, you received the Better Business Bureau Distinction Award for 2025. That is proof that people are really getting the results that are life-changing.
Yeah, and I want to say like it's a teamwork. It's not only me, it's the lab, the people who are answering the phones to make the customer very happy and the experience as flawless as possible.
Congratulations on this award, by the
Thank you.
way. And to be recognized by the Better Business Bureau, this is, of course, it's almost like winning the People's Choice Award because your customers are leaving such great reviews. This is video, if I recall correctly, this is when you were down in Australia teaching other people how to do this same procedure. Is that right?
Right. We're teaching them basics of implants and advanced implants. Teaching is something I like to do to dentists who are starting their careers. And our center is also open for people, new graduate dentists, to come shadow as well.
Wow. And so around the world, people are learning how to do this procedure. Talk to me a little bit more about the patients who are coming to see you, because as we mentioned earlier, a lot of these folks have been told by a dentist or maybe a periodontist or implantologist, like, hey, there is too much bone loss. Oftentimes, dental-related issues can come from years of like medication-related issues?
Big part of it is medications that cause dry mouth. Almost 50% of medications that are commonly prescribed for hypertension, anxiety, they cause dry mouth and they cause the teeth to be brittle. So over time, all of a sudden, patients feel like, okay, my teeth are cracking easy or breaking easy. And at that point, that's where it would be the right point for us to see them.
Okay, and so if someone has been told, like, hey, you just kind of have to live with loose, wobbly, missing teeth.
I think you should take that as I shouldn't take that as an answer. Come meet me, and I'll tell you what would be the game plan. Oftentimes, you're being told by the regular dentist that this is not an option, but it's something that we do on daily basis, and that's all what we specialize in. So I definitely welcome you to call and get more information about that procedure.
Okay, so your message to the patient is, it's not you, it's your dentist. Find a new provider. And again, this is something, so many people who've come on the show have said, hey, I have wanted to do something about this for a long, long time. I'm so glad I finally did. Before we let you go, let's talk a little bit more about this one arch procedure, because this is what it's all about.
Yeah, I think that animation is very accurate. So the implants is 4 to 6 implants that are placed in areas where there is bone. Some patients will find that they don't have room for regular implants. That's when we tell them you need more advanced implants. So luckily, everyone is a candidate for this procedure. We just need to collect the records and meet them in person. And then on the same day, we collect the scans and give them the immediate teeth right away.
And we've had people right here on Houston Life say that they spent years struggling to just eat basic foods, but once they got the implants, they could eat a steak.
It's almost on the same day. A lot of them wanted to test it on the same day.
Wow, that's incredible. So
Yeah.
the whole goal here is to have a full set of teeth that look and function like natural teeth.
Yeah.
Okay, Dr. Michel Azar, it's great to see you. And I know you have more training coming up in Australia, so
Yeah.
safe travels.
Thank you.
Thanks for making time for us here.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's good to see you. And in the meantime, the Texas Dental Implant Center does have a special offer for Houston Life viewers. The first 20 callers will receive a complimentary consultation after a short pre-qualification call. That includes a one-on-one chat with Dr. Azar, 3D scan, and x-rays. It's all a $1,000 value. If you'd like to schedule your appointment, you can call 346-1ARCH. That's 346-663-2724. You can also go online, bestdentalimplantshouston.com. And we will be right back with more Houston Life.